Installing CADIO firmware on an ESP32 is now easier than ever. With CADIO Flasher Tool, all you need is an Android phone with OTG support. First, open your phone settings and make sure that OTG connection is enabled. From CADIO app side menu, open CADIO Flasher Tool. Connect the ESP to your phone and click Flash Firmware. The tool will automatically detect the connected ESP, download the latest compatible firmware, and flash it with the correct settings. Once the flashing process is complete, the latest CADIO firmware will be installed, and the ESP is now ready to receive the info file.